In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Carbon Monoxide Detector. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas, and it is fatal if undetected. Your new carbon monoxide detector will alert you if it detects dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. The alarm should be placed in each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms. For additional protection, a CO alarm can be placed in each bedroom and on every level of your home. The first step in setting up your new carbon monoxide detector is to twist the ceiling mount counterclockwise to separate the mount from the carbon monoxide detector. Then remove the battery insulator by pulling the plastic tab. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign and then click the Scan for New Device symbol. Insert the metal pin and press the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for the device. Your device will appear in the Found Devices list. Click Configure to add the device to a specific room. You have 2 options when mounting your new carbon monoxide detector. Option 1 is to remove the protective layer on the double-sided tape on the back of the wall mount and press firmly to the desired location. Option 2 is attaching the device using screws. The carbon monoxide detector should be mounted between 30 and 120 centimeters below the ceiling. Place the device at least 150 centimeters from the potential source of carbon monoxide. Avoid places like kitchens, garages, furnace rooms, and extremely dusty or greasy areas. If possible, to avoid unwanted alarms, keep at least 6 meters from stoves, furnaces, water heaters, cooking appliances, and space heaters. Keep at least 6 meters from showers, baths, laundry rooms, saunas, humidifiers, or any other source of humidity, near ceiling fans, heat vents, air conditioners, or open windows. Blowing air may prevent present CO from reaching the sensor. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimgard.com.